Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this new English lesson. This lesson is for the third intermediate, the second semester. The subject is English, full blast 6. The lesson is to be, a day to remember. It is the second part of the lesson, grammar, speak, and write. The lesson was prepared and will be presented by Mrs. Atidal Al-Ghamdi. Today's objectives are, we're going to know how to use bare infinitives. It's the grammatical form of the bare infinitives. Then we are going to know how to make invitations. Afterwards, we are going to write an informal letter of invitation. As a warmer, look at the verb in the second example. What do you notice? The second example. Okay, here is the verb. What do you notice in this verb? Very good. It has no endings. Very good. It has no endings. It is in the infinitive form. Very good. It is in the infinitive form. Okay. So the verb is called infinitive. Very good. Okay. There are two kinds of infinitive form. The first kind is infinitive with to. The first kind is infinitive with to. And the other kind is the bare infinitive. You don't have to. So let's look at the form or the structure. It is to plus the base form of the verb, while here the bare infinitive is only the base form of the verb. Let's see as an example. Ammar helped me to do the homework. So here is to plus do. It's the base form of the verb, the homework. Ammar helped me to do the homework. How about the bare infinitive here? As we said, it's the base form of the verb without to. As an example, Ammar helped me do the homework. Ammar helped me do the homework. Okay, kinds of infinitive. Infinitive with to. To plus base form. When we say Max went out to get a newspaper, Max went out to get a newspaper. So the structure, why did we use the to plus base form? It's because we want to express a purpose. We gave a reason. We want to express a purpose. So we say, why did Max went out? To get a newspaper. Okay, to express a purpose. Number 2, I've decided to have a barbecue on Thursday. I've decided to have a barbecue on Thursday. So why did we choose the to plus base form? Because after such verbs such as want, would like, would, love, decide, plan, and promise. After these verbs, we use to plus the base form. Let's repeat. Want, would like, would love, decide, plan, promise, etc. Okay. Then look at the third example. Tom was happy to give Brian a lift home. Tom was happy to give Brian a lift home. Why did we use the to plus base form? Because it came after adjectives such as happy, surprised, sorry, pleased, afraid. Here is the word happy. If I add other words such as surprised, sorry, pleased, or afraid, okay? Then I use the to plus base form of the verb. Now let's see the fourth sentence. It's easy to draw a camel. Let me show you. It's easy to draw a camel. Let me show you. So why did we use here to draw, to plus the base form? Because it's after a structure, it plus the verb to be plus adjective. So it is easy. It plus verb to be plus adjective. Then we have to draw. Okay. Now the fifth kind is this coffee is too hot to drink. So it's too hot to drink. Okay. When do I use the to plus base form verb? With to plus adjective or adverbs, okay? With the meaning more than necessary. Oh, here we have the coffee is too hot to drink, okay? So here's the adjective. And it means more than necessary. So we use very or to. Okay. Now let's look at the sixth example. Bill isn't old enough to drive. Bill isn't old enough to drive. Here is my to plus base form verb. Why did we use it? Because it comes with an adjective or adverb plus enough. Okay, so he isn't old enough with the meaning adequate. Okay, so suitable or adequate. Okay, he's not suitable to drive. He's not old enough to drive. Okay, so for purposes, for words like decided, love, okay, for adjectives such as happy, okay, and for the structure, verb to be plus, yes, very good, plus adjective, we have to. Then when the meaning means very much, so when we have the word to plus an adjective, and the last structure is when we have the word enough plus adjective plus enough. Very good, which means suitable. Okay, now we are going to see the kinds of infinitive, which is the bare infinitive without to, without to. You shouldn't insult other people. So we think after, yes, very good. After modal verbs can, could, may, might, must, will, would, and should. After modal verbs, we don't use to. My father, let's see the other sentence. My father doesn't let me stay out late. So my father doesn't let me stay out late with the verb let in the active voice. So my father doesn't let me stay out late with an active voice with the verb let. Okay, number 3. The police officer made the men get out of the car. So here's the police officer made the men get out of the car. So here's no to. So when do I use the bare infinitive with the verb make in an active voice? Make or made in an active voice. Here it is, okay? We can use the verb help with a full or a bare infinitive. So when we use help, we can use it in both kinds, either with full infinitive with to or bare infinitive without to. Ammar helped me to do the homework, or you could say Ammar helped me do the homework. I always help my father to clean the garage, always help my father clean the garage. So it comes in both cases. Okay, let's do the evaluation. Underline the correct words. I'm not strong enough. So we have the word here, enough. So suitable, yes, very good. To, very good. To. Could you help me or to help me? Yes, very good. So this is a modal verb. So we use the bare infinitive. Very good. Help me. They were surprised. Yes, very good. Surprised because of surprised here. So we use to see. Very good. They were surprised to see Darren playing volleyball. Okay, number 3. My sister lost my camera, so I made her. After the verb make, yes, we have the bare infinitive. So we say go. To the shop, yes, very good. To buy, so it's a reason, yes, it's the first kind. I had planned to take or to take. Very good. To take, planned. My cousin to the fun fair, but he wasn't old enough. Very good. Because of the word enough, so we choose to go on any of the rides. You must, this is a model. Yes, very good. So we have try alone. Aisha's date cake, it's delicious. I want, very good. To use, excellent. The computer, we're stating a reason, very good. To check the weather in the map, excellent, very good. Now look at the speaking. Student A is organizing a trip and inviting student B. Student B is going to accept, complete the conversation. Okay, this is a way of inviting. Number one, come to the energy fair with me. Why not? What time? Where is it taking place? Would you like to? I'd love to. Thursday, how about? So we'll start. He will give an answer, a question, sorry. So what are we? Would you like to? Very good. Would you like to come to the energy fair with me? Okay, blank, come. Thanks. When is it? Excellent. I'd love to come. Very good. I'd love to come. It's on blank all day. It's on? Yes, very good. Thursday all day. Very good. Number 4. So here he said Riverview Park. So it's about the place. So we are asking, where is it taking place? Where is it taking place? Very good. Now here, sounds great. Number 5, blank, shall we meet and where? Yes, very good. What time shall we meet? Very good, because here it answers about the time. Number 6, now he's giving him a time, but in a question form. Very good. How about? Very good. How about 10 o'clock at the library? Sure. Why not? Very good. Sure. Why not? Excellent. Okay. When we're writing an informal letter or an email of invitation, we should follow the plan below. First, we have to have the greetings. Then we have an opening paragraph. We begin the letter or email and say why we are writing to her or to him. Okay. The main part is give all the necessary information, details, place, date, time, cost, activities, and then you make your own suggestions or any arrangements. In the closing paragraph, you state anything you want to emphasize at the end. You repeat what you actually asked for or your letter or email. And then you sign off, you write sincerely, friends, or love, or dedicated to, and then you write your name. Okay, you sign off your name. Let's look at some of the phrases that we can use in each segment. As a greeting, look. Okay, look at the poster. Imagine you've decided to go to the exhibition. Write an email to a friend inviting him or her to come along, giving the necessary information, venue, price, making arrangements, when to go, where to go, get the tickets, where to meet, and follow the plan. We are going to follow the plan. Greeting, opening paragraph, main part, closing paragraph, and signing off. Let's see. Now, as an evaluation for writing, we are going to match the information in the 2 columns. We have column 1 and we have the other column here. Let's read the words. Number 1, venue. Number 2, price. Number 3, when to go. Number 4, where to get tickets. And number 5, when to meet. So let's see here. A, we have 5 in the afternoon. B, 10 pounds. C, Northern Lights Conference Center, online, and 18th to 24th of February. So let's answer. Where is the venue? The place? Very good. It's C. Northern Lights Conference Center. Okay, the price. How much is the price? Very good. It is 10 pounds. It is 10 pounds. Okay. When to go? What time are we supposed to go? Very good. It's in the 5 in the afternoon. Excellent. So it's A. Now, where to get tickets? Where to get tickets? We get it online. Very good. And then when to meet? The time? From 18 to 24 of February. Very good. Excellent. Now, we're going to write the name of each part, then put them in the correct order. So here, what do we have? We say Leo. Very good. This is the signing off. Excellent. The book fair is taking place at the Northern Lights Conference Center so what is this? The information. So it's a descriptive information about the conference itself. So it is the main part. Excellent. Now here, when they say, I'm writing to invite you to the book fair on Tuesday, what do we call this? Very good. This is the opening paragraph. Excellent. Now, I hope you can make it. If you decide to come, let me know soon. What is this? Excellent. Now, this is the closing paragraph. When we say, hi, Ted, what do we call this? Very good. This is the greetings. Excellent. Okay. Now, let's go to the other slide. We arranged it. First, we have the greeting, hi, Ted. Then we have the opening paragraph. I'm writing to invite you in a book fair on Tuesday. Some friends and I are going, and I thought about asking you too. Would you like to join us? And then we have the main part, the descriptive information about the place and when is it and how to get and how much are the tickets and how to get the tickets. So this is in the main part. In the closing paragraph, you say that I hope you can make it. If you decide to come, let me know soon. And then you sign off the name, your name, the writer's name. Okay, now let's arrange it as a paragraph. Here it is. This is how it's written as a paragraph. Please do make sure at the beginning of each paragraph, we have what we call an indentation. It's a 5-letter spacing. Okay, at the beginning, see? When you count them, it's about a 5-letter spacing. Okay. Now, what we learned to sum up the lesson, we learned today kinds of infinitive, bare infinitive, and verb to plus the base form of the verb. Very good. Now, and then we have parts of the invitation of how to write a formal letter or an informal letter for inviting. We have the greeting, we have the opening paragraph, we have the main part, we have the closing paragraph, and then we have the sign off where you write your name. Okay, the reference for today's lesson was Full Blast 6 Students Book, Full Blast 6 Teacher's Guide, and Google Clip Arts for pictures. Thank you for attending this lesson. Hope you have enjoyed. See you next time.